Uh, I have to say so many things about him, and most of all, his devotion to duty. If he would have survived this and then came back home, I was thinking about that. He would have survived this and then would have come back home. No, see, if I would have told him that it was so dangerous, you would not have gone alone. You could have done. If I had expressed that kind of a thing, he would have just said, listen to that. Life is for dying in the line of duty. That was Sandeep. So, whoever, no, there are a lot of things which is behind his going alone. I cannot say that here. It's not that it was with purpose only he went. He wanted to finish the operation. He wanted to bring all the 4 terrorists into one room. He wanted to injure at least one, and then frighten them to be not to come out and then shoot again. Nobody explained this way. Only his CEO explained. He said that I asked him, why did he do something like that? Many people are telling that he should not have gone alone. It's a foolish act. By killing 2 people, no, see, what will you achieve? See, these were the reactions came from. But we have to think from different angle. If Sandeep had not done that, this building, including the new building, would not have been there. They had to reconstruct it. Nobody knows that. What was the IED with them? How they came here? So he would have realized everything, the repercussions, what would have been there. And of course, pressure from top to finish the operation as soon as possible. And I cannot say that Sandeep was the best soldier in the world. There are hundreds and hundreds of them in each and every battalion. Dedicated people, you should see their dedication. It's not that, as some politician says, they are all for dying. They are not for dying. They are stop killing. They are there for stop killing, not for killing people also. So these many things, no, so we will not understand. So no, so वो तो फौज में join किया, operation में गया, मर गया. That's not the end of it. You have to analyze everybody's intention, every soldier's intention, why they are doing that, why they are keeping their life on the line of duty and then doing that. That is more important. And for a person like Sandeep, he was extra brilliant, and then he could do whatever he wants. He could study the whole thing in 1 week and then write the exam and then get 99 marks. So such a person goes there and then joins the armed forces. And a father questions him, say, what is this, Sandeep? Yeah, I had been very good plan for you, something like. What do you think that, no, see, I have only reached 12th standard. There are people, those who have done PG in electronics, PG in so many other things, humanitarian. See, they are all there. You are seeing from outside, you think that, no, so we have no option to go. That's why we are going to the armed forces. It's a planned decision. I have been planning it for years together, and then I have decided. It's not for India alone. Sandeep's vision was that it's for humanity. Nobody can kill an innocent person. He has been telling, no, yesterday also I have been talking on some other platform. He used to say that my unit, if they are going for an operation, I should be the first person to go. I will not allow anybody under my control to die before me. So these are all, people can think that, no, see, I am telling it, just he is not there to clarify or something like that, but that's the truth.